What if I told you the most dangerous AI is not inside a browser, but already sitting on someone's laptop with full access to their mouse, keyboard, files, and memory? No pop ups, no chat window, no reset button, not even a reset button. This AI doesn't forget, it, it doesn't sleep. You keep your laptop on always. You won't feel like switching off your laptop. And it doesn't ask permission unless you design it that way, unless you want it that way. Today I'm going to show you OpenClaw, also known as Claudebot, a self-hosted AI agent that works like a real employee, not a chatbot. And by the end of this video, you will understand what it really is, how to get started safely, and why this changes jobs, productivity, and responsibility forever. This is not hype. This is not theory. This is the future of work running on your own machine. What exactly is OpenClaw? Let's clear the confusion first. OpenClaw is not another AI website, not a Chrome extension, not a chatbot you close and forget. OpenClaw is a self-hosted AI agent, meaning it runs on your computer, on your server, but connects to powerful models like Claude, ChatGPT using APIs. Think of it like this: Claude or ChatGPT is the brain, OpenClaw is the body, and that body can control your mouse, keyboard, browse the web, open apps, read and write files, remember everything permanently. That is why people call it 24/7 AI employee. Why this is not just another AI tool? Here is the key difference most people miss. When you close ChatGPT, it forgets. It stops. When you close OpenClaw, it remembers every task, every project, every preference. You talk it through Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord like messaging a human colleague, giving it a name. You can text it from anywhere in the world and say, check my emails, continue that document, fix the bug discussed yesterday, and it just continues. That is not AI assistance, that is agency. The three superpowers. One, full control. OpenClaw can do anything you can do on a computer except switching on the computer. Browser, Google Docs, Notion, code editors, shopping sites. This also means, and listen carefully, there are no built-in guardrails. This brings responsibility. Two, infinite memory. Unlike chatbot with context limits, OpenClaw stores memory locally. You can treat it like onboarding a new employee. You dump your work style, goals, habits, folder, rules, and it never forgets. This is incredibly powerful, incredibly dangerous if misused. Three, messaging based control. You don't sit in front of a screen all day. You message it. That single design choice changes everything. AI moves from tool to co-worker. Hardware costs and myths. Let's burst a few myths. No, you don't need a powerful machine. It doesn't run huge models locally. It's not expensive software. OpenClaw itself is free. You pay only for the AI brain you connect. So if you're using ChatGPT Pro, it is $100 to $200, and Claude Max is $200. So be willing to pay $200 to get your employee. Feels like a human co-worker. That is why most serious users will choose it. How to get started without breaking things? Setup is surprisingly simple, but this is where discipline matters. So this is the OpenClaw website, and just execute. So just copy this command using curl. We are downloading the installation bash script and executing it like this. Okay, so if you get the security warning, what you need to do is give -k. Okay, let's continue. After pasting the command into terminal or command prompt, you press enter, then choose quick start, AI provider, API key, skills, that is apps it can control, messaging platform. You can choose WhatsApp, Telegram, etc., Discord. That is it. 30 to 60 minutes, one time setup. So I'm not going to go through the entire process, but if you need to multiply your capabilities, this is the way. Critical precautions. Now listen carefully. OpenClaw is unhinged by design. You must start with read-only tasks, limit app permissions, never give admin access early. Treat it like a junior employee on probation. Trust is earned, not assumed. This is not a toy. Used correctly, OpenClaw becomes extraordinary. Email management, document creation, project tracking, vibe coding, full apps, second brain for ideas, automation web tasks. One person with this setup can outperform entire teams. For decades, we asked, will AI replace jobs? That was the wrong question. The real question is, who learns to manage AI employees? Who doesn't? So OpenClaw is not about replacing humans. It replaces repetition, context switching, busy work. The winners won't be the best coders, but the best architects of workflows. If you're in IT, software, operations, or business, ignoring agents like OpenClaw is no longer safe. Learn early, experiment responsibly, and stay in control. This is TechieTalksAI, and this is how the future actually works. Stuck with tech? Overwhelmed by AI, cloud, or coding? Mentor Expert gives you personalized one-on-one help, step-by-step guidance, and instant clarity. Your solution starts here.